Welcome back to another Wednesday episode here at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton.
I'm Chad.
And today we're going to check out some new inventory, also run through the showrooms and the shops, show you what's going on today at Coyote Classics.
The guys kicked butt last week. We got probably about 6 or 7 through the shop. We got 3 left. From last week's video, the 70 RoadRunner clone's a super sweet car. That one will go in hopefully next week. This Charger really drives nice. And last but not least, the GTX here. We ordered some brand new wheels and tires. They just showed up yesterday. So this one will go in Tim's Bay here in the next couple days.
Yeah, this car's gonna look awesome with the new wheels and tires on it. Already has beautiful paint. You know, we'll get some more chrome with them wheels that are going on it and really change that thing up.
Yeah, it's a super fun car.
So out here, you're gonna see kind of some of the raw goods, the cars that just came in this week. And then when we get inside, you'll kind of see the finished product, you know, and then you'll see how we do it when we go through the shop. You know, it takes a lot of work to get these cars from this to what we display in our showroom.
Exactly. You want to start with this Camaro, D?
This thing's cool. First things first, we're gonna put the flat hood back on it. That's painted. Is that correct?
Yep, that's our plan. So the previous owner went ahead and bought a cowl hood. Rather than to paint that, the flat head looks great. The flat hood looks great on it. We're gonna go ahead and put that back on and sell it that way. We have a brand new set of 17-inch US mags that we'll show you in a little bit as well. That's gonna help this Camaro out so much.
Beautiful color.
How about this? Yeah, it is a gorgeous color, but how about a factory sunroof, Dalton?
That's neat as hell, and that is factory too. When you look inside, LT, see that factory sunroof.
Factory tack, just super clean interior, beautiful paint. It's just the wheels absolutely kill the car.
Yeah.
I mean, just terrible.
It'll look better once we get some new wheels on there. And then we have a pair of Chevelles that came in yesterday. This is a 68.
This one's got a great stance. I absolutely love the stance. You can't go wrong with red, and then when you have this kind of stance, it just looks fantastic.
Yeah, 4-wheel disc brakes. Came in with a 69 Chevelle, and this car is awesome too. One thing that we're gonna do for sure is get it to sit down a little bit in the front, put some different springs on it. You know, looks like it's jumping out of the pond right now.
But this is how we buy some of these, you know? I mean, we gotta see past a lot of this stuff so we can take it to the next level. Gonna take it to the paint shop. It's got a couple little spots in there that we're gonna fix as well.
Awesome 69 Malibu.
Yeah, they're hard to find. You know, anymore the Chevelles are just getting so damn hard to find and expensive, you know?
This Camaro is another sweet Chevy that came in this week. My favorite part about this car is the color. I love the blue with the silver stripes. It's fantastic.
Yeah, I went ahead and went and looked and purchased this one myself. This is another one. We've already got the wheels and tires sitting here ready to go. Wheel well trim on it. We're gonna have, I got new interior for it as well. We got all new door panels, carpet, dash pad. We'll show you a little bit of that.
Yeah, this will be kind of a neat before and after once we get this interior fixed up. Right now they have a, I don't know what kind of design that is, what era that's from.
Tuck and rolled or
yeah,
something.
Tuck and roll.
It's just old school. The paint job is gorgeous on it. The body work is awesome. The steering wheel sucks. I got a new rosewood coming for that. We went ahead and did new dash pad, all new carpet, door panels, front and rear, armrest pad, bases, wheel well trim, wheels, tires, and this one's gonna be a show quality car when we're done with it.
Yeah, we're gonna transform that thing. Another one that's gonna fly off the shelf, I think, is this little 72 Corvette convertible. Comes with a hardtop too, removable hardtop that's on it right now.
Yep.
4-speed car with beautiful interior. This one we picked up in southern Iowa.
Guys had it since 2002, Dalton.
A really nice interior.
Yeah, it's got gorgeous interior. As far as the paint goes, the paint was done in 02 also, so it's got some imperfections. But great run and driving car, all numbers matching, motor, transmission, just ready to have some fun.
Yeah, 72 the last year with the chrome bumpers.
I don't remember what we did with this one, but I have brand new wheels and tires for this one as well. We're gonna do Krager SS's with brand new BFG raised wet letter tires. As far as this one goes, Dalton, we have new dash applique for it.
And this is an awesome little Mustang driver, the original interior, kind of a survivor car.
Yeah, definitely.
All these cars out front, you're going to be able to kind of watch as they go through the shop and you know, turn into something we're proud to sell. Should we go check out the showroom, see some of these cars that are finished up? So we'll jump into this showroom. This is packed full of cars. Of course, we got a little 67 GTA. This car is just fantastic.
Definitely one of the nicest on the market. No questions asked there. How about this? Now this is one, I don't even know if we got this one in last week's. I don't think. It just kind of came in between and it was so clean, we just went ahead and put it right on the site. But this is absolutely gorgeous. Numbers matching 402 big block buckets, console, 3 owner, 68,000 original mile car.
Yeah, first gen Monty. We did talk about this one last week, so we had to show Dave wearing the hat and shirt.
All right, we did. All right. Anyway, this one cleaned up great and it's on the website for sale right now. Trans Am sold last week.
This is one of my favorite cars that we've gotten in recently, the 69 Cutlass. This car is just outstanding. Buckets console. We drove it yesterday, 0 wind noise. I mean, it floats like a, I don't know.
It's a great car. Just a 352 barrel and it still sat us back in the seat.
Yeah.
Didn't it?
Fantastic.
63 Impala Super Sport, ready to go to its new owner as well. That thing is just fantastic. We talked about this in the last couple videos, but I never get sick of looking underneath this hood, Dalton.
No, you can't with all the chrome and the paint matte stuff.
Gosh.
You know, dress up on there. LS2.
Here's one that really surprised me. We did a lot of work to the 69 GTO. It's a numbers matching car. Original engine, steering, brakes, air. We did a lot of interior stuff and just a lot of cosmetics, but this one surprised me yesterday. It's probably one of the nicer ones we drove, and it just surprised the hell out of us. A lot of power. Wind noise was way down. Air conditioning works.
Went down the road like a grandma car, I mean, as far as
It
suspension
did.
and that.
Grandma car with a lot of power.
And then the granddaddy of this 69 GTO is this 64 Tri-Power, original Tri-Power GTO.
Another numbers matching GTO, and I'll tell you what, it's hard to find a numbers matching GTO. I mean, these things were used and abused. I mean, this first muscle car really ever produced, is, in my opinion. You know, so they were beat up a little bit.
Then the 69 Camaro convertible, 130 spent on the restoration, probably one of the nicest Camaro convertibles on the market.
You were just saying you were watching the video last night of that one and your big screen TV, and you were just filling out.
I kind of fell in love with it. I mean, just the quality of this car is outstanding. And we got a couple 66 Chevelles. We got a convertible, real deal, super sport numbers matching big block to my left. And then to our right, we got a 66 Malibu big block, 4-speed. Beautiful car.
We did drive this one the other day too. This video will be coming out pretty soon. And I was pretty impressed with this.
Yeah, this was a lot of fun. The color on this is outstanding, just a muscle car color. Evening Orchid. A couple Mopars.
We talked about these Mopars are ready to go. We've got a couple more Mopars coming in today, which is pretty cool. What
do we got coming in today?
Oh yeah, Loomer's after pickup. We have a numbers matching 69 Dart, 344 speed.
Yeah. Red one.
All numbers matching, perfect. And then we have a Restomod 70 RoadRunner, plum crazy purple, original numbers matching 383, fuel injected,
that
4-wheel disc
underneath.
brakes.
I'm excited about it.
4-speed automatic transmission, cruise control, air conditioning. I mean, it's just done.
Yeah, those ones have me pretty excited. I haven't been that excited about some new arrivals in some time, but we were
They'll
looking at the photos last week.
So
yeah, those are outstanding. Maybe he'll get here in time. I can throw those in the video.
Maybe?
If not, they'll be next week.
No, he will be. Yeah, he'll be back this afternoon.
See if we can see what we're up to in the office today. There you go, Cardano. What are you doing?
Hi, I don't know if I can tell you what I'm doing because it has to do with t-shirts and surprises for customers.
Oh boy. Surprise t-shirts. All right. Bye. Oh, we do have a little special guest in this office. Wonder what he's doing.
Oh.
It's kind of like a zoo.
Oh,
there
he came out of his
is.
enclosure.
We're in the Murphy enclosure. Here, Murph, you want to say hi?
He said hi to Dave.
What's up, buddy? What's up?
Dave, how's it going today?
Going well. We're gonna get a couple today, I believe. So 69 to 72 Monte Carlo. So
Very good.
really excited about it. You know, we're having another stellar month. Hello. Got my buddy here, my closer. Yeah.
Good deal.
Hurry on the last one.
Yeah,
He's locked in the office.
I
That didn't
know,
work
yeah.
very well.
Oh,
He was
trying to get out to
napping.
help.
He was. He was
He
fighting
was
his
trying to
target.
help to get out.
Murphy had help closing that last deal.
Yeah. Can't get them all, Dave. Looks like Aaron's working on something here.
What's up?
I can't believe we caught her not on the phone.
Don't edit that out.
It's going on. No edits. All right, maybe now we can go to the shop. All right, a couple red cars back here. All right, tell us about this little Mustang, Chad.
I'll tell you what, this little Mustang came from Waverly, Iowa, hometown, so that's pretty cool.
My alma mater.
Yeah, just a nice, solid car. Michael probably knows more about it than I do. I know the previous owner didn't drive it a lot, had some restoration done on it, put new tires, wheels, new exhaust, you know, the kind of stuff that we would do here anyway. Just didn't put a lot of miles on it. What do you know about this car, Mike?
Yeah, I know it did sit for quite some time. The last time the oil was changed was in 2017. So,
See, there you go.
we took care of that, changed out the antifreeze in it. Mechanically, it seems to be a fine car.
Good.
It's had quite a bit of work done to it. Looks like it's pretty high quality though.
Yeah, seems solid underneath when I walked under it yesterday, huh?
So, nice driver. It's a red Mustang convertible. You can't go wrong.
Exactly, that's not rusty underneath, right?
No.
Right.
That's the first thing we look at when we buy these. I mean, we won't buy anything that's tacky underneath.
Now, this is gonna be a quick seller.
Yeah, we're gonna put the wheel well trim on. I think Mike's probably gonna do that next, I'm guessing.
Yeah, I'll do that right after I get done buffing.
Looks like this one has just a couple little spots in the top, and you're gonna see this on a lot of these. So they just get pinched.
Yeah.
Over time, that's where it pinches a little bit right there. So,
One thing, keep in mind, not a single one of these are perfect. Not if they're 120,000. You know, we've sold those before too, and they're not perfect. This Chevelle, you seen us take out of the trailer last week. I should have showed you under the hood last week
you don't
because
think we did?
I don't know that we did, but it looks fantastic now. Timmy pulled everything, you know, off, painted it. Really detailed this up underneath. Looks great.
We had to do a water pump anyway, so the water pump was really loose. So we put a new water pump on it. Tim spent a couple days under the hood. You know, we still have some finishing things to do in the detail, but Tim part's done. We did the carburetor, did all new front brakes on it, painted the engine manifolds. This is going to be a great one if you're looking for a Chevelle. Wait till you see this one all buffed out, cleaned up, ready to sell. This will be a easy mover as well.
We're gonna go back and see what Brent and Justin got going. This thing's not as powerful as it should be. New to the lot, 2019 Kawasaki Mule.
There you go. Farm tool,
Farm tool.
dog farm tool.
All right. Brant, Jay. Happy Tuesday. Brant's working on a couple sold units. You just pulled this in, right?
Yes, it is. Working on fixing the horn right now, and that one's all ready to go for Justin to put some Freon in it.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
You got
good.
that? What about the gas gauge?
It works.
Really?
Yeah, well, they're freaking
Awesome.
So this Cornet, just finished up. We had you guys had your hands full in the shop, you know, from the last couple weeks, you know, selling 13 the other week and then 6
That works
last
great.
week. They're getting caught up. This is a nice car.
You don't see these Cornet 500s with a 383 very often.
Nope.
You know, a factory big block. Most of them are 318 cars. So that's
Yeah.
pretty cool.
The next guy's gonna love that. And this Olds is just, I'm gonna miss seeing this car every day. I mean, let alone driving it. So that's
It's like
gonna be a
Brant's
good
working
one.
on the horn, and then we did get the new windshield in it as well. That's all
Awesome.
done.
All right, it's that time.
Black Bandit.
Ooh, look at that.
Bandit.
Now
Black
we're thinking.
Bandit.
She's a ripper.
Yep.
Black Bandit. This car is beautiful. We looked at this last week when it was filthy dirty. Jay's just getting started on cleaning it off. It's gonna be really nice. Look at these door handles. They work perfect too. Air, 400. It's got the 77 front clip on it.
Yeah, this one's awesome. Look at the door handles. I think we talked about it a little bit.
Yeah, I just looked at those on the other side too.
Don't you love that?
They work perfect.
Oh man.
Is this a 4 or 5 speed?
I think it's a 4-speed. Yeah, it's a 4-speed, but it's got a fuel injected. I mean, this motor just hauls the mail.
Yeah.
It's definitely built. Justin, we can talk to him a little bit about this. He'll tell you about the motor too. Justin, how's it going, man?
Working on.
This street rod's going to Canada, isn't it?
Yep, going to Canada. Getting her all ready.
Oh, we're doing a video.
We're doing a video. Surprise.
Always doing a video.
Yeah, just getting a couple of things buttoned up on it. Just fixing the rear license plate light, and everything else really looks pretty good.
AC.
AC works.
This
Everything
is a
seems to work.
this is a
Nice street rod.
car.
This one had anything a guy can imagine. Cruise. What else did it have? It had cruise, air, tilt,
It's got a little bit of everything.
power windows.
Yep. Power locks, power door poppers.
Crazy fuel
All
injection.
works, too.
Hey, what can you tell us about? We were just checking out that Trans Am. Remember when we pulled that? That's a pretty built motor, wasn't it? That black one.
Yes.
When we pulled the valve cover on it the other day. It's just got a little. What was the deal with the lifters on that one?
It just has a busy noise. They're fully roller rockers on there, so aluminum. So I don't think there's anything wrong with it.
Just a little chirpy. You know what I mean? With that car.
The nature of a built motor is just they're a little bit more noisy than a stock setup. So.
Yeah. They're a hell of a lot more fun too.
Yeah, that's right. They are. It gets you in a lot more trouble too.
Yeah,
exactly.
This RoadRunner I'm going to show you here in a second became my favorite car in the lot, and it only took about a mile.
That little Dart sweet too. Michael just came out and said, "You know what? I think I found my favorite car on the lot."
I
That's
know,
what
I
Mike
found
said.
mine too with the RoadRunner, but that Dart is sharp. This RoadRunner drives like amazing.
All
I mean,
new suspension, Willwoods all the way around.
I love
Look
the
at that,
steering wheel
huh?
too. And I love how he mounted the
Wow.
screen for the EFI. This is all painted purple underneath too. I mean, this is a car that I don't want to sell it really.
Yeah,
I'd love to
Eat
drive
your
this
heart
thing
out.
every day during the summer. How about this thing under the hood too?
I don't know. This thing, gorgeous, isn't it?
You want to shut it off?
Sure.
Sounds awesome. The air grabber works perfect too. It's got the little switch in there.
Cruise control.
It's got cruise.
It's got cruise. It works.
I'm not surprised the way this thing drives. You know, it seems like it was set up to just drive it every day. But wow. This Dart, beautiful too. 4-speed.
The Dart is believed to be a 48,000 original mile car. Absolutely gorgeous paint. That's nice. It's gorgeous paint.
Probably two of the nicest Mopars that I've seen in a while.
Yeah, they're nice cars.
Beautiful. What a great way to end a day. These two things coming in. Thanks for watching this week's behind the scenes episode of Coyote Classics. It's been a lot of fun. As you can see, we got a ton of new inventory just came in this week. If you liked the video, make sure you drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and check back next week to watch these things go through the shop and hit the website.